Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 4.29, and in this question it is given to you a bullet fired at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal hits the ground 3 km away. Clear? It means let us try to analyze this given situation. Let's suppose here we have this ground. Let's suppose this is ground. Clear? Let's suppose here we have a bullet. So let's suppose if I draw here a bullet. Let's suppose this is pistol, and from here we can say bullet is going like this. Clear? So in this question it is given to you a bullet is fired at an angle 30 degree. So this bullet is fired at an angle 30 degree with horizontal, hits the ground 3 km away. Okay, it means this is given to you 3 km. It means we can say this is value of a range. Yes, so we can say value of r, this is given by u square sin 2 theta divided by g. Clear to you? Now value of range is given to you 3 km. So we can say this is 3000 meter, u square by g, and value of angle of projection is given 30 degree. So we can say this is sin of 60. Clear? So from here we can calculate value of u square by g, and this is equal to 3000 divided by this is sin 60. Clear? So sin 60 we can say this is under root 3 by 2. Yes or no? So we can say this is yes, we can say this is 3000 and 2 theta means we can say 60. So this is root 3 by 2. Clear? So now we can say this is equal to 6000 divided by under root of 3. Clear? Now we can write this 6000 at 2 multiply 3000. So we can say this is 2000 multiply root 3. Clear? So this is value of u square by g. Clear? Now if we adjust its angle of projection, clear, at that time that can we hope this target is to be 5 km away. It means now our objective in this question is to calculate maximum value of range. Clear? So maximum value of range, how can we calculate? Actually we know one formula, r maximum, this is given by u square by g. Clear? And u square by g equal to what? This is 2000 under root of 3. Clear? It means we can also write like this, this is 2 root 3 km. Yes or no? It means we can say 2 into 1.73 km. So if we multiply, we can say this is 6, we can say this is 4, and here this is 5.46 km. Clear? Now from here you can see, sorry, this is what? 3. Clear? 3.46 km. So at this angle of projection we are getting maximum range or maximum value of range, this is 3.46 km, and in this question it is given to you that we are expecting 5 km. So this is not possible, because with this initial velocity and we can say with this angle of projection we can actually throw or we can actually hit that bullet to the ground maximum at up to 3.46 km. So 5 km is not possible. Clear? So we can say this we cannot actually we are just hopping, but we cannot hit that target. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.